Good morning and welcome to my FinTax Chronicles for today 25th June 2025. Economic Outlook. S&P hikes India growth. S&P revises FY26 India GDP growth to 6.5% from 6.3% on reforms. Rupee gains on ceasefire. Rupee up 78 paise to 85.97 as all dips on West Asia ceasefire. India's rate spread shrinks. Yield spread falls to 1.91%. Rupee weakens from 83.7 to 85.9 in 12 months. Legal developments. NSE offers 1.4 thousand rupee CR settlement. NSE proposes 1,388 crore rupees to settle Colo, dark fiber SEBI cases. SC orders dowry case surrender. Convict in 20-year-old dowry death case must surrender, SC rules. Banking and finance. RBI plans 1T VRRR. RBI to hold 7-day VRRR auction for 1 trillion rupees on 27th June. Bob launches flexible deposits. Bank of Baroda offers deposits increasing 10x up to 1 lakh rupees monthly. CSB Bank CEO reappointed. CSB Bank renews Pralay Mondal CEO term for 3 years till 2028. Cash circulation high. UP, TN, and Maharashtra lead in high May cash circulation demand. CDS can issue joint orders. CDS now empowered to issue joint commands to Army, Navy, Air Force. Corporate finance. Vedant gets $600 million loan. Vedant secures $600 million term loan to refinance private credit. Hindalco buys Aluchem. Hindalco to acquire Aluchem for $125 million to boost alumina capacity. Jayaprakash bids filed. Adani, Vedant, Dalmia submit insolvency bids for Jayaprakash Associates. Walmart's India sourcing. Walmart confirms $10 billion India sourcing goal by 2027. Glenmark launches Tevimbra. Glenmark introduces lung cancer drug Tevimbra approved by CDSCO. Techem CEO gets 53.9 crore rupees. Tech Mahindra CEO Mohit Joshi earns 53.9 crore rupees in FY25. International affairs. India evacuates 658 nationals. India airlifts 292 from Iran, 366 from Israel amid West Asia tensions. India supports Iran truce. India ready to mediate, backs ceasefire in Iran-Israel conflict. Tax and compliances. Swiss bank funds triple. Indian-Swiss deposits tripled in 2024, secrecy concerns persist. DGCA flags air safety. DGCA audit finds worn tires, safety lapses post-Air India crash. Investments and finance. HDB raises 3,369 crore rupees. Anchor investors commit 3,369 crore rupees ahead of HDB's IPO launch. HDB plans 12.5 thousand rupee CR IPO. HDB to raise 2,500 crore rupees via equity and 10,000 crore rupees via OFS. Ambuja adds 2.4 MTPA. Ambuja Cement expands West Bengal unit by 2.4 MTPA capacity. EMS wins 782 crore rupees order. EMS JV wins 782 crore rupees Kolkata Civic contract for water infra. Capacity wins 621 crore rupees deal. Capacity bags 621 crore rupees order from Safi Burhani Trust. Financial markets. Markets end flat. Sensex gains 158 points to 82,055, Nifty at 25,044 on oil ease. Gold slips 2,076 rupees. Gold declines 2,076 rupee to 96,874 rupee per 10 grams amid lower global demand. Oil dips to $67. Crude oil drops to $67 per barrel as Middle East ceasefire stabilize. Derivatives tug of war. Nifty caught in bull bear standoff, faces resistance near 25,300 level. Travel boosts card spend. Holiday travel drives make credit card spends to 1.9 lakh rupees crore, up 15% YoY.